10 English connectors that make you sound fluent. Want to sound fluent in English instantly? Then you need connectors, the glue that holds your sentences together. They make your ideas flow, and your English sound polished. Here are 10 smart connectors you can use today. However, for contrast, I like the idea. However, it needs improvement. Therefore, for cause and effect, it was raining. Therefore, we cancelled the trip. Meanwhile, for events at the same time, she was cooking. Meanwhile, I cleaned the house. Although, to show contrast, although he was tired, he kept working. In other words, to explain, the deadline is tight. In other words, we must hurry. Moreover, to add more weight, he's skilled. Moreover, he's very reliable. On the other hand, for alternatives, the offer is tempting. On the other hand, it's risky. As a result, to show outcome, he missed the meeting. As a result, the plan changed. For example, to give clarity, some tasks are repetitive, for example, data entry. Eventually, to show time order, we struggled at first, but eventually, we succeeded. The secret to sounding fluent? Don't just speak, connect. Comment Connector Boost for more videos like this. Subscribe to Clapingo today. You're not just learning words, you're learning flow.